Dear friends, welcome to my Kalushna channel with a new recipe. This recipe is about spring onion frying. I am cutting the spring onions with a scissor after gathering them together so that the pieces will be same in size. Do not cut them very small because as it is green and soft, it will just melt away. So be careful. Cut them in about strips of 1.5 inches in length. I am cutting it with scissors, but you may use a boti as we call it in Bengal. This is much easier way. This is the place, my veranda garden, from where I collected this garden fresh spring onions. This is the top portion of the onion trees before they mature. I am cutting a portion which is soft and green, leaving a little bit towards the stem so that they can regrow again. I do have a bit of gardening in my veranda. You can see I have collected enough for one portion. This is quite enough for me. After frying, these will just shrink and become smaller still. So I'm cutting them and collecting them from my garden. Then we will come to the cooking portion. Cooking spring onions is very easy as they do not need very much cooking. They are green and soft. So put on your wok, put some mustard oil. I use very little oil for frying. Let it heat so that when you fry, it'll be nice. Now, I'm just putting the oil all around the wok so that the onion doesn't stick when you fry them. I use a tempering with black nigella seeds or kalo jeera as we call it in Bengal, and two green chilies and one red chili. You might use lesser chili if you don't like it. I am also using a potato which is sliced into thin pieces so that the volume of the spring onion increases. This is nothing but the potato gives it a big good volume. Mr. Potato is an omnipresent thing in all our recipes or almost all Bengali recipes. I am using a little bit of turmeric to give it color and covering it. Covering it makes it cook slowly, which helps in the potato getting softer sooner. Now you test the potato for softness. I am adding the green onions. The potato is almost done, and at this stage you add the green onions as they cannot be fried too much because too much frying will make them burn or shrink and it'll taste dry. So I'm mixing them with the oil and the potato, cooked potato, very well, and then again covering it and cooking it in low flame. Add a sprinkling of water. Be careful, the water should be very little in order to get the potatoes soft, not more than that. And then again cover and cook it for 1 minute. And now my cooking is done. You can see the green onions have melted and they are now dried up, and I am spreading them over the wok so that the heat helps to melt them a little bit more. A very little sprinkle of sugar gives a very nice taste to this whole thing. This is absolutely optional. You may not use sugar, just use salt and turmeric and green chilies. My cooking is done. Now we are taking it out into a separate pan, separate bowl so as to enjoy it. Please try out my new recipe and help me to grow. Subscribe to my channel if you like my recipes, and please like, comment and share. Don't forget, and wait for the next recipe in English. Thank you so much.